Good evening friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Fantasy, and before proceeding further I would like to request you kindly subscribe this channel. So not wasting much of your time, I want to directly come on to this topic, and this topic is related with the recovery of the audio call recordings or video call recordings in any Android phone. So if you have just missed that recording, how to recover, which app will have, I am going to show you in this video. So now let us start. So just you have to go to the Play Store, and Play Store just 1 minute, just share here audio recovery. Now you will see these these audio recovery files, and in this just click here, install. Now it will install. Reinstalling. We think that this has been installed. Now open it. It is asking out some permissions. Now we will give it the permission, allow, then back, all permission required. Okay. Now here we are seeing if we are going to recover the audio, this is telling that should it cover SD card? Yes, we will take it, and there are two methods, two algorithms by which this will recover the audio, and we will second is under development, so we will prefer the first one. So recovery method this. Here, since I have tried before, this is telling that all recovery folder is not empty. Click continue to proceed the running audio algorithm, but I will continue it. In your video, if you are starting in your phone, if you are starting from beginning, it will not prompt like that. So press start here. Now it will recovering media using first algorithm. It will take some time, so let us wait for that action to complete. After that we will start. It is taking time, and it will take around 4 to 5 minutes. So now in my case this has been complete, and here it is telling that please click finish to complete. After that one ad will come. We have to just get rid of this app, irritating app. Now here you can see that you recovered audio. Our recovered audio will be in the folder called all recovery audio. To view, just we have to tap on here. It will go there. Let us see, after some time it will go there. Yes, it has come, and here that is folder. You can see that 25 GB has data has been recovered. So these are all videos and audios files in which you will find some video files, some call recording, and other files. You have to just see and select what you want. So in case you want to go there from conventional method, just go here and see, type the file manager. Here file manager has come. Now you can go there in here, and here you will see that all recovered audio. There you can go there, and here you can see all the videos and that files. So this is how you can recover the audio files as well as video files from your lost data. So this is all about today's tutorial. If it is helpful for you, please do subscribe us, please do share with your friends. It will really help us a lot. Thank you very much. It's all about today's tutorial.